Hi friends, it's Petra here with another Bramble Fox video, and this time I'm starting off with one of the gorgeous cut files you can get at the store, and this one is the candy cane cut file. And a cut file is always a great start for a layout. Uh, it helps you along the way. You don't have to think it over that much. So I'm starting off with backing the candy canes with a red Christmas paper and that cute bow with a um, gorgeous Christmas leaves paper. And I cut the upper part of the bow twice so it gets a bit of more of dimension, because Morag always gives us so much ease by providing also the backing part of the cut file. So you don't have to think, you don't have to wriggle around in your software, you simply can cut both sides and you're done. So I'm using that gorgeous Mistletoe Kisses title, and I have to admit I created this photo especially for this layout. And I'm deciding how to place that photo and uh, before I glue those candy canes together. So time to back my photo, and I'm backing it with two um, two cardstocks, one green and one red. And since I'm always roughening up the edges, I always cut it by hand. And I decide to use some foam tape behind that bow, so it gets a bit more dimension, a bit more elevation. And I'm gluing my title down with some glossy accents. I'm tucking the title just a bit underneath that second upper bow. And in that title set is also, of course, two pieces of mistletoe. So I thought it would be nice to cluster them at the top of my photo. And then I decide I want to use a stencil for my background. And I started off with that stencil over here, but I didn't like it. I wanted to use another one. And You can get this brand new stencil in the store with all those small X's, and I thought that was perfect. So I decided to let those X's peek out underneath my cut file, and I use bundled sage, which I love. It's a very soft pale green, and in my opinion perfect for Christmas layouts. So these paper snips, I will link everything below. As you know, I'm a huge paper snip fan, and there is this candy circle, and when you have the Foxbox Plus subscription, you also get those epoxy stickers. So I created my own epoxy flare with this one, and I decide to use that little tab that is also in the paper snips. So there is that epoxy sticker, and I'm simply putting it over that 1-inch circle, and you have your own epoxy flare. And I tape it down with a bit of foam tape. So time to glue that entire cut file down. And then I'm almost done. I will do some splattering as usual with that bundled sage. But I decide I also want to use a small phrase from those paper snips, just to add something extra. So I love to use my oxide sprays to do that splattering. It makes your life a lot easier. And that's it. I hope you like it. Thanks so much for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.